water available in water bodies like canal, lake, river, stream, wells is lifted up by different methods in different region, and it is used for the agricultural purpose. Cattle and human are used in this method. So these methods are cheaper but less efficient. Let's see some of the traditional methods of irrigation. Pulley system, chain pump, dhekli, rahat. These are the traditional methods of irrigation. Let's study the mode system. It is one of the cheapest and simplest method of irrigation. Here the water is drawn out from a well. The bucket is Next is chain pump system. In this method, two wheels are connected by a chain. One wheel is near the source and another one is near the sink. So when a human starts to turn the wheel, the bucket will reach near the source and it carries the water from the source and then reach the channel. So the pool water is carrying out by a bucket and reaching out the sink. So in this way we can draw the water from the water bodies like canals. Let's study the dhekli system. In this method, near a source, one straight log is attached to a fork-shaped wood, and at one end a heavy stone is tied over. It acts as a lever. It helps in lifting the water. At another end, a bucket is tied using a rope. When a human pulls the rope, the empty bucket fills the water from the source and then is drawn out by using the heavy stone at the another end. This water is used for irrigation. Now let us study rahat system. In this method, two wheels are used. One wheel is kept near the source, which is vertically kept near the water body. Another wheel which is kept horizontally. So a belt of buckets are passing over a vertical wheel. These buckets are helps in lifting the water from a well to the surface. Here how it works, let us see. When an animal tied to a horizontal wheel starts to move. When the animal starts to move, this horizontal wheel starts to rotate, which is interconnected with the vertical wheel. So in turn, vertical wheel will also starts to rotate. So a belt of buckets which are empty is filling the water from the well and passing over the surface. So this water is used for irrigation. So these are the traditional methods of irrigation. Later, water can be lifted by using pumps with the help of biogas, electricity, solar energy. Traditional methods of irrigation are cost effective but time consuming. So this is replaced by modern irrigation system, that is drip system and sprinkler system. See, sprinkler system usually used in the uneven land. Here the crops get sufficient amount of water and we can use the water economically without wasting the water. The main pipe is passed over a field and some of the perpendicular pipes are attached to it with a rotating nozzle. See, perpendicular pipes have a rotating nozzle. When a water is passed over a main pipe with some pressure, the water escapes from the perpendicular pipe at a rotating nozzle. So this flow like a rain over a field, and this is done by a pump. This is useful in growing the crops and it is used in garden. Next is drip irrigation system. It is more economical and usually it is used in the region where the water availability is very much less. In drip irrigation system, the water flows drop by drop directly to the roots. So, modern irrigation systems are costly but economical. We can save the water